Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is just a little quick video. I am going to do a little bit of mechanical repair. I'm going to do the rocker cover gasket, but it's also a case of, for all you people that have been following me through the whole process of this ZX, this is just a little update video basically, because it's a little over 2 months since she's been back on the road, and I've enjoyed every moment of driving it. And it's a little over 3,000 miles since the engine rebuild. Wow, doesn't time fly fast? But what we're going to do is the reason why we're doing a rocker cover gasket is because we're basically just going to go through a quick 5 minutes here of just letting you know what has happened and what hasn't happened in that time. Well, I can certainly say that nothing serious. The engine hasn't blown up on me like people in the French car forum. I think they thought it was going to blow up on me, but yeah. So to you guys in the French car forum, here's proof. 3,000 miles later, just over 2 months later, it still runs absolutely lovely. The only thing I have noticed, and I kind of do wish I had done, but I failed to do in the process of this refurb, is I have now noticed a bit of a gearbox whine. Well, basically, I had the gearbox out, but I didn't actually do anything with it other than just clean it and paint it and put it back. All the work was done on the engine, so I've now noticed a bit of a gearbox whine, which goes away when I press the clutch, and at the moment isn't causing me any problems, so I'm quite happy to leave it for now. Right, anyway, let's get under the bonnet and start doing this rocker cover changeover, because we need to pull it apart, take all the airbox off to get to the rocker cover, and we'll change this rocker cover gasket out now. Because, and the other thing is as well, I bought a whole set of gaskets for this engine for 50 quid. I can't really complain too much that the rocker cover gasket has failed, because everything else on that gasket set has been okay. So anyway, enough of me waffling, let's get cracking. So here we are. So far guys, I've not touched it other than opening the bonnet, but you can see that there's oil there. If I bring you into this corner, you can see where it's leaked from the corner of the rocker cover gasket there, and you can see also, probably just about see down in the bottom there as well. Let me just wiggle you around there. It's all oily around there as well. The oil filter isn't leaking, but yeah, it needs that gasket replacing and a clean up. So I'll bring you in for a closer view when I take this off, and then I'll probably just get it changed out and bring you back once I've cleaned it all up. So guys, here's the closer look. We've got this off. Everything I've been able to do has all been done with my little 3/8, my 1/4 inch socket set, and the reason for that is because the 4 that go in the back there, which hold this into place, are T30 Torx. They go in those holes. You've then got a 10mm nut there and a 10mm nut just there that goes through the front of that point and that point. This will just then pop off. This is just another oil breather pipe which goes onto the side of that just there. And the air pipe as well has got these clamps on it, which are 7mm on each side on my one, but they may be different on yours. But this is where we're at. This is the state of the engine. You can see it's all gungy and oily. It's clean the other side, but I think that may also be a big part of the problem there, even though I can't see how that split in that pipe would cause oil to be draining all down this side. So I reckon I've got 2 problems here. One is the rocker cover gasket, and one is that pipe just there. So we're going to try and do something with this pipe, and we're also going to try and do something with the rocker cover gasket. But first things first, I'm going to clean it up. Much better guys, all nice and clean with all the nice new rocker cover gasket all installed. To do that, you just literally undo the 3 10mm nuts on there, and don't do them too tight and don't leave them too loose. It's kind of yeah, if you do it too tight it ends up crushing the gasket. If you do them too loose, it just leaves it loose. This split pipe, however, I have just put some gasket sealant style stuff which will is basically a high temperature silicone on there for now, because it is only a low pressure oil return pipe as a temporary fix. But I am looking to replace that. It goes to the bottom of the thingy. I've just got to work out where I can get one from, along with the dipstickers. The second dipstick, the spare one I had, has also decided to start playing up, breaking us down on me as well. But I'm going to finish putting this back together. I'm not going to start it just yet. I'm going to keep my fingers crossed that it's alright, because I need to give it at least an hour or so for that to cure. It'll be a case of I'll try that later on today, but let's get it all back together for now. So guys, not only is it all together, it's also the following day, and it's also 50 miles worth of driving in, and as you can see, it has stayed clean. So far so good. Little gap down there that's stayed nice and clean, and down there where it was leaking down there as well. And that's me happy, I think. So yep, definitely one happy bunny. So far so good. It's looking like it's a problem fixed. The outcome of it is really, though, 3,000 miles, over 3,000 miles, 2 months in, and just over 2 months in, and she's still running absolutely like a dream. And to be honest, I'm over the moon. I'm so happy. For someone like myself who just isn't really a proper mechanic, and I just like to try and get my hands dirty and give things a go. Fair enough, I know quite a bit about cars, but I'm certainly no mechanic by anybody's means. I'm just a home DIYer. I think I've done a cracking job with this one, if I don't mind saying so myself. But anyway, I will leave it there. If you like my content, please subscribe, and you can do that by basically, there'll be another video just up in this top corner, and I'll put my subscribe icon down in this bottom corner. Thank you for watching, guys. Take care, stay safe, and bye for now.